From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of sacrificing style for space in your home? What if I told you there's a solution that's been time-tested for over 35 years, the Create-A-Bed Adjustable Murphy Bed Kit? This game-changing product has been a favorite among many customers, with thousands of people purchasing and reviewing it, and for good reason. Not only does it boast a sturdy American-made steel frame, but it also features LED lights that provide a warm and cozy glow, making it perfect for reading or relaxing. The kit is designed to fit a queen-size mattress, up to 60 inches wide and 80 inches long, and can support a weight of 65 to 80 pounds, giving you the freedom to choose your perfect mattress. The smooth and quiet operation of the commercial-grade pistons makes it easy to fold up and down, and the lifetime warranty gives you peace of mind, knowing you're protected for years to come. I've seen people use this kit in small apartments, guest rooms, and even home offices, and the result is always the same, a beautiful, functional space that's perfect for work or play. The Create-A-Bed Adjustable Murphy Bed Kit is better than others on the market because of its exceptional quality and durability, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to maximize their space. With its easy installation and sleek design, this kit is a must-have for anyone looking to create a multifunctional room, and I highly recommend giving it a try. You won't be disappointed. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.